You can have the best workout plan, but if you're not showing up or you're not sticking to it, you're not going to get there. Ever hit the gym and just do random stuff? I get it. I've seen it with thousands of folks. Without accountability, you're kind of guessing, and that just keeps you stuck. Does that ring a bell? Yeah, I thought so. At Unity Gym, we've got tools to keep you locked in so you see real progress. So how do we do it? With two amazing tools. First up is our UMS app, so you can track everything, your reps, your weights, every single workout. You can look back and see how far you've come, and that's huge. It shows you that you're moving forward. It's like a log of your wins. It keeps you honest and it gets you pumped. Plus, it ties into progressive overload, something that we'll hear about soon. No more just rolling in and winging it. Second, and this is massive, it's our global tribe. In our forums, we've got this incredible crew who's all in. They post videos and ask for tips. They share their wins, like hitting a new lift or nailing a stretch. And then everyone piles on, cheering, motivating, and giving you that boost. I've been coaching forever, and I've never seen a community so all in for each other. It's like having a whole team behind you. You know how big that is? This tribe, they keep you going, no matter what. And these tools, the app and our tribe, they change everything. They make you consistent so you don't skip days. They keep you fired up even when it's tough, and they speed up your results. I've seen thousands try to do it solo. It's way harder. With accountability, you're not alone. You've got a system that pulls you to your goal, and that's worth your money, right? Next, I'm going to show you how we break through this roadblock by achieving this milestone: progress in every workout, every week, so you unlock skills and feel limitless again.